Most people with kidney disease have zero idea they have it because there is no pain, no warning, nothing until their kidneys are already at less than 15% function. And the scary part, the things causing that damage are so everyday, so normal that nobody ever suspects them. So let's talk about it. First of all, I am a nursing student and everything on BodyTea is educational, not medical advice. Now let's get into the tea. Your kidneys are two fist-sized organs sitting behind your stomach, and every single day, not sometimes, every day, they filter about 200 liters of your blood, pulling out waste, regulating your blood pressure, and controlling your body's water. They never stop, they never complain, until one day they do, and by then, the damage is already deep. So what is quietly doing that damage? Number one, salt. And before you say, I don't add much salt, the real culprit isn't what you are adding, it is what is already in your food. Seasoning cubes, instant noodles, processed snacks, that stuff is loaded with sodium. Too much sodium raises your blood pressure, and high blood pressure basically heats up your kidney filters every single day until they start breaking down. So less seasoning cubes, less processed foods, and your kidneys will feel the difference. Number two, painkillers. Paracetamol, ibuprofen, diclofenac, the ones people take like sweets for headaches, body pain, and period cramps. Occasionally, they are fine, but regularly, these drugs directly reduce blood flow to your kidneys over time and cause real damage. So if you're reaching for painkillers that often, something else needs attention, not just the pain. Now, this third one is specifically for my Nigerian people. Agbo herbal concoctions, the one used for malaria, typhoid, body cleansing, all of it. Now, I'm not dismissing traditional medicine, but research shows that herbal preparations across Africa are linked to 35% of acute kidney injury cases. 35%. Because these concoctions aren't tested, nobody knows what's in them or how your kidneys are reacting. Natural doesn't mean safe. If you are sick, please go to a hospital. And the last one is the simplest. Water. Your kidneys literally need water to flush waste out. Without it, everything just concentrates and sits there, quietly straining your filters. 2 liters a day or 8 glasses of water is okay. That's it. So here's what you can actually do right now. Go get a kidney function test. It is called a creatinine test and it checks your EGFR, available at most Nigerian hospitals, and it is not expensive. That one test can catch damage before you ever feel a symptom. Pair that with less salt, less processed food, and drinking your water daily. And then you would see that you're already protecting yourself better than most people ever do. So if nobody's ever explained your health this simply, that's why BodyTea exists. Subscribe, drop a comment below telling me what topic you want next.